What's the meaning of bin? Bin. Bin.
Bin. Bin. The term bin can have various meanings depending on the context. In general, it refers to a container or receptacle used for storing or disposing of things, such as refuse, laundry, or food items. The word bin originated from the Old English word bin, which means a basket or container made of woven twigs or branches. Today, the word has evolved to refer to different types of containers, including plastic bins and metal bins. In certain areas, bin is also used as a slang term for the trash can. Overall, bin is a versatile word that can be applied to a range of settings and situations.